Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for watching the Duranify channel. This is the FIMi X8 flying over a place called the Pipeline in James River in the middle of Richmond. Tough place to fly. We got a lot of interference around here. All right, let's get into the video. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing, man?
Hey, where can I see the footage?
Oh, I'll give you a card.
Oh, yeah?
You have a drive bag?
I got my camera, I can take a video of it.
Okay. It's called Duranify is the channel.
Okay.
And it's spelled D-U-R-A-N-A-F-Y.
Okay.
So Duran with the A-F-Y.
All right, cool.
It's a YouTube channel. Hey, man, if you want to support a local YouTuber, man, do it.
Sweet.
Because, yeah, I mean, it just broke 2,000 subscribers, moving up in a little bit. You know what I mean?
Is there, like, aerials all around?
Yeah. So, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. So this is what I'm seeing now.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. That's it.
You do?
And, of the Caroline, and you flew straight into a tree on the side.
Dude, I've done it. Everybody that's had a drone has done it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, here comes, this is coming down on the...
Is that Chris? Or is that...
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo!
A for effort, A for effort. Back to Drone 100. If you'll put in the comments Drone 100 under any of the videos, you're ready. Oh, real? Oh, sweet. That's awesome. I'm gonna sit right there right here. Yeah. That's what folks I like. Yeah. You'll see that on the channel.
You left a lot of skin there. Oh, nice. Almost had it. And he was showing off, doing wheelies. And the chain up here, so he do that. And I don't do that on Facebook. Yeah. Put it up high. That's good. Yeah, do get through. Lock in now. Is that Schmidt on in? Is that Schmidt? Pretty cool place, right? Pretty cool place. That's exactly right, my friend. Yeah, I do. I'm gonna bring my drone back. Alright guys, so here I am filming from this rock and I have to catch the drone now. So it's time to catch the drone. Alright, so time to put the camera up. So there we are, guys. That was it. Alright guys, so that was the FIMi X8 doing a test flight over the James River in a place called the Pipeline. So what did you think? It was pretty cool, right?